Hello and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name is Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching. On our program today is Cheng. He's the VP of Service Provider Products at Brocade, and we are at Interop 2011 in Las Vegas. Ken, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Rich.
So you have a whole bunch of news, and I was hoping you could share with us some of the things happening at Brocade.
Yes, and it is an exciting week for us this week because we have introduced our Cloudplex solutions, which is an integrated, pre-tested solutions for our customers, enabling them to package their choice of compute, storage, and also Brocade networking solutions together to help them to move to the cloud. And one of the fundamental enabler of going to the cloud and offering cloud-based services is the Ethernet and fiber channel fabric. And we fundamentally believe that fabric technology is the foundation of cloud services and cloud infrastructure. And while others are talking about fabrics, Brocade actually have been shipping fabric switches and fabric solutions in the last 15 years. And our Ethernet fabric solutions have been shipping since second half of last year. So we have a leadership positions in cloud-based structure and also Ethernet fabric specifically.
How have you seen the cloud market evolve over the last few years?
So I run service provider business for Brocade, and I can tell you that there is a mega trend that is happening in the industry in that all the communications provider are migrating or transforming themselves to become a cloud service provider. They recognize an opportunity for us, for them to bundle cloud-based services with the services that they are already providing to their customers today, and allowing service providers to increase the revenue per subscriber or per customer, and also let them more efficiently leverage their investment in infrastructure and also data center.
Now, if you look out at the market, are there any other trends that are worth sharing right now, just all the things that you're seeing?
Yeah, I think one of the key trends is that both enterprise and service providers are trying to transform themselves and leveraging cloud services. And enterprise customer is driven by really two reasons why they are interested in cloud. One is that they believe they can fundamentally reduce the cost of their IT infrastructure. And secondly, they can improve the agility of bringing services and applications to the end users. And in this process, both vendors like Brocade and also customers like enterprise and service providers, they have to transform themselves. And a customer standpoint, an enterprise customer standpoint, they need to get comfortable to not build everything themselves. They need to get comfortable of subscribing services on a as needed and pay for them as used basis. For a vendor like Brocade, we are in a transition to migrating from a vendor who sell products and solutions to our customer, migrating to becoming a strategic partner of our customers by helping them to create services. As we talked about, a lot of service providers want to become a cloud service provider. However, there are many different types of cloud services they can deliver. It very much depends on the assets that they own and the competitive advantage that they have. So Brocade, for example, in the last year have created a practice, we call it service creation. And we have many successes helping customers to define services, to help them to build the business case, to help them to run the financial models, and most importantly, to help them to put the solutions together, to help them to test, to make sure that they have the management and also the support infrastructure in place. And then last but not least, to help them launch the service. We actually have a number of service providers in the last 6 months went to market with services that we work on together. And we went together to launch the service, to make press releases and go to market and have been very successful. So we see transformation from a user perspective, customer perspective, as well as vendor. I think vendors in general can do much more helping their customers to move to the cloud.
So Ken, it's such a competitive space. How do you differentiate if a customer's looking to choose between Brocade and there's a short list and you're on that short list? Why do they choose you?
I think typically people look at choosing Brocade or Cisco. And I would say that our data center leadership in the last 15 years has built a reputation and a foundation for Brocade to be successful in helping our customer to build cloud-enabled infrastructure. And the fact that we have cloud technology today and also have Ethernet and fiber channel fabrics products that are shipping, and also we are a thought leader in this space, really differentiates ourselves from all the competitors that we have.
So what's next for the company?
So as you probably know, we are in 3 market segments: enterprise, service provider, and data center. And this whole movement to cloud is really becoming a unifying and move forward force to allow us to leverage the data center technology that we have and enable us to deliver this technology through our go-to-market with enterprise and service provider customers.
Fantastic. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you very much.
Great.
Rich. Nice.